Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the Pebble EF39 group, and today we will talk about a project entitled A Mobile Application for Monitoring Daily Sugar Intake. Introduction. Preliminary definition. The first part of a mobile application designed to help monitor daily sugar intake. The first, a mobile application designed to help users meet and control their daily sugar intake. Second, sugar consumption limits are measured based on daily recommendations from United States Department of Agriculture Standard. Third, information on sugar content in various food and beverage products is taken from the Open Food Facts database.
Group identity. The first, my name Rudianto. I'm job desk. The initial step of the project involved forming a time, designing the workflow of the application, determining its structural design, and preparing the project implementation plan.
The second, I'm Angel Dia Paramita. Job desk user is involved in the application design from UI development, creating visual design, preparing the project implementation plan, as well as preparing report and creating presentation.
Third, me, Nadila Nagita, job desk user contributes to the application design and front end, selecting visual element and page flow, as well as preparing the project implementation plan, preparing report, and creating presentation.
For Muhammad Altaf Prasugasi, my job desk user focus on the application architecture design, determining the interface layout, and preparing the project implementation plan with other team member, as well as prepare report and creating presentation.
Project manager Mr. Noper Ardi and project proponent Mr. Noval Zahwan Palma.
Next project scope. This daily sugar intake monitoring mobile application will include various features to help user control sugar consumption based on USDA and Open Food Facts standard. With systematic development stage, this application can provide benefit to users, help with recording features. The target user of this application are the general public who want to control their sugar consumption, diabetic who have to limit their sugar intake, parents who want to monitoring their children's sugar consumption. Project achievement. Up to the 7 week, we have completed around 50% of the Pebble progress. First, application concept design. User needs have been identified and the initial design to the main features namely tracking daily sugar intake based on user data such as food, drink, and physical activity. Second, USDA data integration and open food facts. The data integration process from USDA and open food facts has begun, and most of it have been successfully implemented into the system. Data is used basis to calculate use sugar intake. Third, recommendation system development UI UX. The user interface and recommendation system have begun to be developed, and some features have been running. Initial testing and interface improvement will be carried out in the next phase. Project Author.
This is a welcome page. The app's homepage that welcomes the user display the logo, app name, and navigation button such as login or register, as well as a summary of the app's main feature. This is a login page, a page to authenticate a user before getting access to the system, usually containing a form to enter a username or email and password. This is a sign up page. The page for registering new user contains a form to enter information such as name, email, password, and other data to create an account.
This is a first name. The initial registration page asks user to enter their first name to personalize the app, such as displaying a greeting with their name. This is a goal page. The user health or fitness goals, such as losing, maintaining, or gaining weight, are used to adjust daily sugar intake recommendation. This is a gender page. The user gender entered during registration is used to adjust a calculation of nutritional needs, including daily sugar intake.
This is activity level pack, the user daily physical activity level that helps estimate calorie needs and sugar intake, with a choice of low, medium, or high category. This is date of birth pack. The user date of birth is used to calculate age, which is important for determining appropriate daily calorie and sugar intake needs. This is create email pack, the process where user enter the email address during registration for login, account verification, and application communication. This is create password pack, the process where user enter an email address when registration for login, account verification, and application communication. Create username pack destination. Passwords are used to secure user accounts and ensure that only the owner can access the application.
This is a dashboard page. The daily sugar intake monitoring dashboard display information about daily sugar consumption to help user control sugar intake according to health recommendation. This is profile page. A profile is personal information that describes someone, identity or character. Typical include data such as name, photo, contact detail, and other relevant information, whether in the context of an application, social media, or other system. project implementation. First, planning. Second, analysis. Third, design. Four, implementation. And five, implementation again.
Analysis challenge in project completion. The project faced weak time management as well as technical issues that hindered the development process. And then the next step are to develop to diary feature for logging daily sugar intake and then conduct application testing, including unit tests and user acceptance testing UIT to identify and fix any issue. So thank you everyone. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.